hard day of work. My name's Granite to Normandy, and after a long day of work, I like to come home and put together my favorite recipe to help me with a good night's sleep. So I'm gonna put this up here, and I'll get started right away. First thing to make a good night is need some beads. Let me get some beads in there. That's my secret ingredient. I'm going to need some more of those. Oh, there's one down my blouse on my jammies. Oh, all right. I also need to put in some magic. So here's some games. Gotta keep it fun for all the kids. And here we go. Oh, that was it. Oh, you know what? Never heard anybody just call buy recycling using upcycle stuff. Oh yeah. You gotta get the shiny ones. You pay extra, but they're worth it. I tell you, it's the truth. Stick some of those in there. Oh, you gotta get your craft sticks. That adds a really good amount of flavor. You don't want to miss out on that. And then every little recipe needs some glue sticks. So stick those in there, get a little stir. And then if you're worried about waking up the next day feeling a little groggy, this is the cure-all. Put those in there. Don't wake up hungover at all. All right. And the last thing you're going to need is to get yourself some stickers. You go to the Dollar Tree and you buy a whole bunch of them, and they're $1 because that's a teacher budget. There we go. We'll put one more in. Just feel a little excited tonight. Oh no, they're pretty sticky little stickers. All right. What you're gonna do now is get your Unifix cubes because you gotta drink it on the rocks. Pick your favorite color. Now that we got all the ingredients together, we're just gonna put it down here and let it age because everything's better with age. All right, you be sure to follow this recipe and it'll make a real great nightcap for you. Peace.
Help support our students and staff by joining us for Discover Our World with DAO, Friday, March 8th from 6 to 10 p.m. at the market in Valparaiso. You can order your tickets online or you can get them at the door. See you there.